Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. If you are watching this video, it means you have a love for organized space. But have you ever feel that whatever the way you organize the home, it feels messy or you are not able to keep up with the organizing system? In that case, I'm sure you will find this upcoming tips helpful to maintain an organized home. Before starting the video, a gentle reminder, subscribe to Home #Life and find us on Instagram and Facebook to see more pictures, more videos and life updates. So, let's get started. Our first tip is don't need, don't keep. I know we all talk about purging, decluttering, but the problem is we wait for the right moment to do that, like Diwali cleaning or New Year purging. Don't wait for such occasions. The moment any space bothers us with the messiness, we are not able to maintain the organization system. It means we need to start decluttering unnecessary stuff. This is so far an effective way of decluttering what I have found. We don't need that much stuff. Trust me, more stuff, more headache. If we talk about makeup, more precisely lipsticks, do you really think you would use all these before they expire? I don't think so. If you are not a makeup lover, it means you are not going to use them. Moreover, they will create space clutter as well as mental clutter for you. So get rid of them. Just have some basic colors like red, pink, and you will be good to go. Less clutter, less decision to make, and you are up for maintaining an organized home. So there is a behind the scene for you. Our tip number 2 is let your space decide the organization system. If you don't have enough space, literally go for macro organization, not micro. Let me show you an example. When it comes to organize our kids' stationery or our own stationery, we started categorizing, which is definitely the right step to organize any space. But sometimes we go overboard and create a micro system which is not easy to maintain and moreover not needed for a small space. If you organize a space thoughtfully, then you can create more space for necessary item. There will be less chance for a mess to create, and a thoughtful organization will always help you to maintain an organized home. Third tip is focus on functional system, not on fancy look. Before explaining the tip, let me ask you a question. When we feel the urge to organize our home, mostly two reasons are there. First, hopefully our need, and then our want. We start with watching home organization videos, we check on Pinterest, so beautiful pictures on Instagram, right? After effects are as follows. We start comparing not having enough space, not having beautiful organizers, thinking for the perfection, wasting time on finding the perfect organizer for our home, and the result is we already lost our energy and interest to organize our own space and again start watching videos to bring the motivation back. Don't let yourself fall into that magazine-worthy organized space trap. Be inspired by their space and understand the functionality of your own space. Rather, use what we have on our hand or we can shop in our home. This is a takeaway food container which I have repurposed and kept all my makeup. I am not bothered how fancy it is looking, but the ultimate goal is to organize the space and make it functional. Our fourth tip is very important. Be honest with your own habits. We very recently redid this space. Mirror was there, but the space was lacking storage. After putting this new cabinet, I was very tempted to organize all the stuff neatly. I started categorizing Like this drawer is for lipsticks, this one is for eyeshadows, and so on. For some people, this organizing system works great when they have a lot of eyeshadows, lipsticks, makeup brushes, in short, a lot of makeup things. For me, it was not at all working. I realized I was not able to maintain the organization system. I was throwing off things here and there, didn't have the mindset to put everything back according to the category. Then I came up with this solution. Less used makeups in this container. Everyday makeups are within reach. All the lipsticks corralled here. This new system made my day much more easier when I get ready. No more juggle. When I need to get ready for special occasion, I simply take out this container. It holds the entire essential makeups I need. It's easier for me to put them back and maintain an organized space within no time. So, moral of the story is, don't go for pretty space. Have a functional one to overcome the home organization drama. Our fifth tip is, take time to organize any space. Take time, understand the space, understand our need, assess how much stuff we are going to put in there. Now, if we have a small space, then we have a small space. Need to accept the fact. Our whining will not make the space any bigger. So, if it's a small space, we need to curb our things. Suppose we love perfumes, lot of them, but we don't have space, then what to do? We need not to buy 6-7 perfumes at a time. Wait for the existing ones to finish, then we can buy a new one. It will set a very nice habit of feel the joy of having a thing which you have desired for long enough, and your brain will not engage in making unnecessary decisions. Find the right place for everything. Probably most of us have heard about the phrase, "a place for everything, everything in its place" by Benjamin Franklin. Over the time, I have realized we find a place for everything, but to find the right place for everything is way more important. When I started my home organizing journey, I struggled so much, not to organize the space, but to maintain an organized space. I noticed I'm organizing things but not keeping them actually where they are being used. Initially, I was keeping all my daughter's socks and few essentials which we need only when we are going outside inside the bedroom's wardrobe. Every time we were rushing from main door to bedroom to get the necessary stuff. Then I shifted them in this drawer near our main door. Now it's so easy to maintain an organized home. These hot plates had the same story. As they were creating clutter, I was keeping them inside the drawer. Every time I bring hot pots or casserole, I was in a dilemma whether to call someone for help to take them out and put them on the table. The system was not at all making any sense. So I decided to keep them on the dining table for easy access. I call them essential clutter. Once we are done with eating, I simply put them back, and it takes seconds to maintain an organized home. Our seventh tip is accept the change. Home organization is not a one-time project. It's a process which needs observation and change the organizing system when our needs change. If you are following our channel, you know I organized all my makeup items inside the bathroom cabinet as we didn't have any storage inside the bedroom at that time. Then we purchased this drawer unit to use it as a makeup storage. As I have eyesight problem, the system was not very functional for me to get ready every day. Then I decided to go for this small cabinet to make the space functional for me. As I have moved few things in a new place, I am able to free up one drawer to keep my cameras and electronic items. If the old system is not working, then don't be skeptical about the change. Your life does not get any better by chance. It gets better by change. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked these tips and found them helpful. Also, let me know in the comment section below what is your home organization drama which you want to overcome. Subscribe to Home #Live for more videos and find us on Instagram and Facebook for more behind the scene pictures. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. So there is a behind the scene for you. The stuff you are going to see that I'm going to declutter are not all my stuff. I borrowed them for the video here.